I'm going to jump right into the chart. I'm going to show you how the MarketPal Pro works. So basically, this is how it works. You have TradingView, which is a chart um, platform that reads the charts and has basically all the symbols that is ever found in the stock market and in the investing in the market. So you get the MarketPal Pro basically for yourself. You get an invite. We invite you to get access to the MarketPal Pro. You have it right here. I can just close it and then open it up, and you can see the backtesting of it. So basically, this is what happens. Um, my chart is not that clean. Basically, this let me jump to gold right here, which is cleaner. This is how it works. You get a breakout buy. It is a trend following rule based system. You get a breakout buy, and when this breakout buy happens, you get a signal. The stop loss is always the area where the red line is. So usually what we do is we mark out this red line, and we have this number as the stop loss area. And then we go and jump to our broker and we take the trade from there. Now, how do we know if this is working? We know that this is working based on the back testing of it, because if this move has happened since 1974 all the way to 2026 July 10th, and the results are this much, it means that it has a higher probability of happening in the future. That's the proof of the system that a system is working. If the backtesting, because that's how we check our edge. People talk about edges in the market. Do you have an edge in the market? Yes, no. If you have an edge in the market, you need to backtest it to know if it's working. This is by default backtested for our sake to see how it works. So we get a breakout buy right there. We put our stop loss right here, and then basically we are inside of the move. This is when people are freaking out. Should I invest in gold? What should I do? Am I in the right position? And that's not who we are. That's not how we do it. We use the MarketPal Pro that tells us when the breakout buy is, and we don't need to stress about it. And even if these moves go to the downside right here, we have another breakout buy happening. And when another breakout buy happens, we move our stop loss and we add to the position right here. And then we keep adding, taking this trade, taking this trade, taking this trade, and we always move our stop loss up to the latest position or where the stop loss was. And you can just see the way this breakout buy shows us, and we are continuing to the upside. This is on gold. You have on SPX, the same thing on SPX, going to the upside. You can see that this area right here is getting stopped out. And if you have noticed, there is no take profit areas. Why? Because we only take profit when we get stopped out. This is taken from the principles of the complete turtle trader. I'm going to talk about this book soon, but this is taken from the principles of the complete turtle trader of how they take profits, because we don't know. Now, this is when the Iran war happened. We didn't know that the war is going to happen, right? But we have that's the main reason why we have stop losses, to protect ourselves from losing all our capital, right? So we move our stop losses, so when the stop loss gets hit, all these positions, when we move the stop loss, we are inside of a take profit area. So this last trade right here gets stopped out in a loss, but the rest of them get stopped out in profit, because we don't know if the move is going to continue to the upside, and that's how we make our most profits when we see new all-time highs going to the upside. So this is on Nasdaq, this is on S&P, this is not on Nasdaq, this is on S&P. If I go to the Nasdaq, the same thing happens. And I got a question, by the way, regarding, so if the market crashes, what do we do? Trump tariff announced. The market did not crash, but the market went down around, you know, how much was it? 23% when Trump tariff announced. We protect ourselves by putting stop losses. And this is what happens, and you can see very clearly that it did not take any trades on a bearish run. This is a trend following system going always to the bullish side, to the upside. And it only works on the daily time frame, which means if you're sleeping and you get a signal when you wake up and you're hours late for the trade, you're still not late because it's on a daily time frame and the daily time frame does not move that quick. So it's a very low time commitment.